because
it's like I'm hearing these voices in my head. Just hear strange voices talking to me. This is crazy.
Awesome. Y'all weave it up, my dude. Don't even trip, I feel your pain, homie. I'll tell the story for you. You did.
you was my homie, my right hand man. I just wanna know why they shortened your lifespan. Damn, make it you my nigga to the end. My brother from another mother and my best friend. You was my homie, my right hand man. I just wanna know why they shortened your lifespan. Damn, make it you my nigga to the end. My brother from another mother and my best friend.
Okay. Call came through, Rue. Megan took a headshot, my eyes watered, head drop. I start pulling my dreadlocks. I'm overwhelmed by the grief and the guilt. I'm the big homie, I feel I'm the reason my homie killed. Months prior, I received a letter from my right hand. A nice man and someone rapidly shortened his lifespan. The letter read in red:
Peace, love, and respect, homie. I know you probably tripping, cause I say that you neglect homies.
my mind like,
why you say that indirect, homie? I gotta feed my family, I'm only doing what's best for me.
decide not to write back, ignore it in spite. That's right, karma's a bitch and she bite. Our last communication and I didn't reply. Next time I saw his body sold into the sky. Couldn't resist the pain, so I sit and I cry. This just had to be my fault, something I didn't deny.
You was my brother, my nigga. I always stuck with you. My homie, my right hand, my heart. You was a gangster, my nigga to the end. A beautiful gangster, my best friend. You was my brother, my right hand. I always stuck with you. My homie, my right hand, my heart. You was a gangster, my nigga to the end. A beautiful gangster.
Now let me tell you this. If I had the chance now to write back, I'd like that. For his life, I'd fight back. On my set, it's like that. I would've said,
Had it, homie. Don't be sad and lonely. Pass the rollie. Let's hit the liquor store and go grab a phone.
I was hearing lots of he said, she said. I wouldn't abandon you though if I bled, he bled. Worst part is when I gotta stare in his mother eyes and explain, because I know she got the story summarized. We had the Brandy's drink shot after shot. She said,
Fuck I'm supposed to do now, my son in a box.
I hit the street trying to find his killer. 8 more live gorilla, brain on cloud 9. It's about time to find a dealer. It's a shame how a life can be stolen, but when you look back on life, that lifestyle's golden. Damn, it's like playing Texas Hold'em, and all my opponents is trying to fold them.
You was my brother, my right hand man. Always stuck with you. My homie, my right hand, my heart. You was a gangster, my nigga to the end. A beautiful gangster.